Lemet ata Xwaaqw'um. Claim I met ta Xwaaqw'um. Look at Xwaaqw'um. Very beautiful Xwaaqw'um. Now, Xwaaqw'um is named after the Xwaaq, which is a species of waterfowl that was very popular in this area and would have been traditionally hunted here at Xwaaqw'um. The new name for Xwaaqw'um is Burgoine Bay, but let's just use the name Xwaaqw'um, shall we? Xwaaqw'um, from what I've read, was a subsidiary village of Hwtl'upnets. That means it was a village that which was a harvesting village or a fishing village that would be owned by people who live at Hwtl'upnets. So while I'm here, I want to acknowledge the hard work that's been recently done by Joe Ackerman. He's been doing a lot of Hwtl'upnets and Hwtl'upnets restoration in this area. He runs traditional education events. It's wonderful. So Hwtl'upnets to Joe. And I just wanted everybody to know how to pronounce this wonderful word for this wonderful place. Xwaaqw'um. Oh, Hwtl'upnets, Siem Nasiya.